Hey guys, this is Subramani. You are watching me on my YouTube channel Witty Gesture. So in order to help the freshers and those with minimal experience who are striving hard to find opportunities in this COVID, I'm posting various job updates under the playlist COVID Job Updates 2021. Along with that, I also post various tech videos like I've made a 90 days Python plan to become a data analytics engineer. For those who are weak in Max, I posted a playlist of basic Max, and for freshers, definitely there will be a round called aptitude in whatever the interviews you go. So I have comprised a playlist with all 5 years important aptitude questions. I have solved them and I have attached them in the below description. So just make use of my playlist and just go and surf my channel such that in order to make yourself relax with some moral stories and spiritual thoughts, there is a playlist. To improve your mathematical and logical thinking, there is a separate playlist. To improve your programming knowledge, there is a separate list. And in order to guide your career track, I have made some separate videos along with this COVID-19 plan. So with no further delay, let's enter into the Jupyter notebook and find the hot jobs for this May month. And again, my COVID job updates are not just job information with any website links. It's something like a direct HR links, so they will have your resume, and if even though the vacancies are over in future, they will contact you. So let's enter into the Jupyter notebook. The 21st update under this COVID job updates is technology consultant ETL with an analytics firm. They are looking for a person who have hands-on experience with ETL process. The required skills are like big data and Hadoop, especially on Hive, SQL, and GCP, Spark, Python. It is something for the Airflow department, and the designation what they're going to give you is like a senior analytics or software engineer. So just brush up your skills on ETL flow, and especially if you have any good understanding any of these. If you have any experience in any of these technologies and of big data, that will be an added advantage, and you can drop your resume to Ankita at karnavithsolutions.com. And the next job update is for SFCC Demandware B2C work from home full-time opportunity to the person who are experienced about 3 to 7 years. They are looking, this profile is quite related to a SFCC developer kind of profile who have quite good understanding in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and JSON, along with jQuery, Ajax, and web services like RESTful API experience. And if you have done any certification in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, or if you have any working experience in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, that will be an added advantage. You definitely should have one ticketing tool knowledge like Jira, ServiceNow, Confluence, Slack, and Git source experiences. If you find this opportunity suits your profile, you can drop your resume to Swati at gravityinfosolutions.com. The next job profile is for a product support or application support with SoftOne India Private Limited. So again, saying about application support, you should have quite good understanding in ITIL process. So brush up your skills on ITIL process. Apart from that, for this particular role, we are looking for a candidate who have quite good understanding in SQL. So brush up your skills on SQL, and you should have a good customer relationship. You should solve the tickets within the stipulated SLAs, and just sit and recall the troubleshooting methodologies and the tickets that you have handled, and summarize those scenarios and revise your concepts on event management, release management, change management. Thereby easily you can crack this level of interview. And the job location is for Chennai, Tirvanmur, and here is the mobile number of the HR to whom you can contact, or else you can drop an email to sriramji@softonindia.in. The 24th job update is for data science work from home opportunity, and they are looking for the person who can join very immediately. Working with SQL knowledge is an added advantage. You should have a good understanding in transforming the data, aggregate data sets, and build algorithms. Good working experience on statistical analysis. Brush up your skills on statistical models. If you have around 2 to 3 years of experience as a data analyst and you want to transform your career as a data scientist or like a data engineer, just sit and recall the projects that you have worked and try to implement your showcase your self-paced projects that you have done as a data scientist to the recruiter, such that they will trust about your work and your relevant experience, and you can get an opportunity as a career transition too. So for a data scientist, definitely should have a good SQL knowledge. Apart from that, you should also have a basic knowledge on any of these programming languages like Python or R. You should have some very good understanding about core Python. And for machine learning algorithm, choose any 5 to 6 algorithms and the corresponding projects that you have done, and go to the knock and corner of the project that you have practiced and showcase that before the HR. You can drop your resume to bhuvanesh@bsrisolutions.com for this particular role. And for the same job, data science role, you can also drop your resume to manisha.gaurav at Pegasus in folkcorp.com. Just make a note of the resume. And the last update for today is like for application support engineer with one minimum 1 year of experience, and they are looking for the person who have good understanding in Python or Java and one database knowledge MySQL, and you should have some more experience on ticketing tools like ServiceNow, Java or ADO. Apart from that, experience of working and supporting applications, AWS or any other cloud infrastructure like say SFCC or AWS or Azure. If you have been working in any of these cloud platforms or supporting these cloud platforms infrastructure, definitely that will be an added advantage. So study about the AWS concepts. If you don't have any cloud knowledge, just go with AWS, brush up your skills on AWS, practice things on AWS and ITIL process SQL. With these adequate skills and your relevant experience as a troubleshooting engineer or a support engineer, you can easily crack this role. So thanks for watching my video. I hope this session would have added some value to your career, and please do watch all the other videos in this playlist such that you'll get more HR links and you can forward your profile in the way that I have suggested. So thank you for watching my video, and please don't fail to subscribe it to get more interesting updates. Bye.